What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing today? How you doing? What's up, you guys? I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. You are the best. You guys, I cannot tell you how much I thank you just for tuning in, just for clicking that likes button, clicking that thumbs down. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you like. Just let the two middle fingers. Okay, okay. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate you. You guys, we've reached over 8,000. And climbing. I just can't believe it. You guys are so awesome. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We welcome you guys. Yeah, we're not professional. We just try to garden, we try to grow food, and we try to do what we can do. You know, that's all we can do. Like this says, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. Okay. And them hornworms, they out of here. Because we ain't got no money to be spending on them hornworms. We ain't got no money. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm making a quick video, and I promise it's going to be quick. All about okra. Okra. I love okra. Some people don't like okra, but okra is an easy thing to grow, you guys. Some people say, SkinnyBoyRandy, how you getting your okra to grow? What's going on? You guys, I am so behind on my okra because you remember I lost all of my all of my seedlings when I started my greenhouse. Yeah, you guys, they burn up. I ain't lying. They burn up like a log in a fire. But anyway, we jump right back into it. We never give up. Don't ever give up, you guys. I've killed so many plants by accident. Mother Nature, forgive me. You know I didn't mean to do it, Mother Nature. Thank you, Lord, for forgiveness. Yes. Okay, you guys, so let's just dive right into this video. Okra, they love the heat. Number one. Okras love heat. They love the heat, you guys. And I'm going to walk you through step by step what I do when I plant my okras. So I'm going to show you from seed to when they're about to start producing your okras. Okay? Let's just jump right into this video. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Okay, you guys. Let me take a seat and get you down here in the workshop. Yeah. So if you started your seeds earlier, like a lot of my friends and like I did, you know, they would be ready to harvest about 4 to 6 weeks before your last frost. Ready to put outside. You want to forgive me. They will be planted 4 to 6 weeks before putting them outside. Okay? You know, you time it based off of your first frost, your last frost. That means the date is not going to be cold no more. Okay? So after the date, it's not going to be cold anymore, which is called your last frost. Yes, you guys, I'm breaking it down for beginners. That's when you want to start your seeds 4 weeks to 6 weeks before that, because okras grow so fast, y'all. They really do. So all you want to do, get your seeds, your okra seeds. Now it's hot out here, you guys, so I'm going to make it short and sweet. Now you can pick whichever type you want. I have these growing right now. One of my nieces gave me these. Shout out. Yes, thank you. And some people like to soak their seeds. Now okra seeds they look like this. Yeah, you can see that. A round, hard ball. So some people soak them so it'll loosen the ball and it'll germinate quicker. You can or you don't have to. I've done it both ways and it works fine. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then what you want to do, when your seedlings start to grow, that's when you start transplanting them outside. So let's just do this. I'm going to show you how to just plant your seeds. This is our Dollar Tree seed starting mix. Okay, shout out to the Dollar Tree. I don't even know if you can find it anymore. Yes, I still have some. So I'm just going to take my Dollar Tree mix. Let me put you down here. There we go. Very plain and simple, you guys. Make a little bigger hole. I'm going to put this Dollar Tree mix right in there. And it has drainage, you guys. Don't forget to make sure your pots have drainage. You know, if your pots don't have drainage, then you won't get great vegetables. So I kind of pack it down a little bit, water it until I see the water coming out of the bottom. Yep. And you can just, kind of squeeze it around because it's brand new soft soil. And I should have had my little Dollar Tree bucket. I'm going to put that under here to catch, some of the soil is going to come out of the bottom if you're using this type of container, see? So that's all you want to do. Make sure that soil is nice and moist. get your seeds. And you just want to put one, you know, space them apart because they germinate so quickly, you guys. And I'm going to let you follow this yellow container, okay? So don't forget the yellow container. So I put what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and put one more in here, 7. Because you're always going to thin when they get bigger. So that's 7. Then we're just going to put the 7 in there, cover it, seed starting mix. Press down a little bit, water, till we see it coming from the bottom. Yep, and you want to go ahead and soak it when you're starting your seeds, you guys. That'll help them germinate. Okra loves the heat. If you try to grow okra when it's cold, it's not going to do so good. But as soon as June and July hit, yeah, it's going to sprout like crazy. And if you started your seeds early, you know, you should be harvesting okra already. A lot of people are already harvesting okra, you guys. Like I said, I don't do everything up front, and I do some things up front for myself, but I save a lot of things because I want to show you how to do it. Okay, I love you guys. And there you have it. Our seeds are planted. Now, if you don't have any soil starting mix, you can just use some garden soil. They do pretty well. We just threw some down last year in a corner behind the shed, and they grew like crazy. They kind of look like marijuana. People was like, boy, what you got over there growing? I said, it's okra. Oh, Lord, don't call 911 YouTube. We don't do that, no. But yes, Lord, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. You're the best. Okay, so in about 4 to 6 weeks, what you're going to see our little plant looks something, looks something like this, you guys. See? Yeah. And they love the heat. And then in about a month and a half, like I said, this is 4 to 6 weeks. You're going to see that. 2 months. Look what I got already. And this is in a container. This is in a bucket. I have 3 in here. You guys remember when I did the video on this and I had like 7, but I separated them. Some of them are outside in the garden. But look how big and beautiful they are. They produce beautiful flowers when they're about to bloom. And I'm looking down in here and I can see, yeah, little plants like this will give you an okra already. See that beautiful burgundy spot in there, you guys? It's going to make a beautiful flower. So yeah, you guys, you can do it. You can grow okras in container. It doesn't take a lot. You just put your time and effort into it, and you have your okras, okay? Okay! So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Let's see what else I can show you before we end this video. I had something to show you guys. Well, let me show you the okra that I planted outside on the side of the house. Yeah. Let me show you some of these. And I have my fruit trees over here, so forgive me. Yeah. And now these were planted directly in the ground. See? These? Yeah. Got a little bit of weeds growing up in there. But the weeds have been protecting my plants. And they don't grow at the same rate. Look at this little one. Look at this one. Yeah, you guys. So you can grow your okra in a container. Oh, there's another one. Like I said, I just put some seeds over here in the corner area of the home. Like I said, it's a new home for me, gardening here, and I'm loving it. I'm learning the soil. I'm learning how to appreciate Mother Nature, you guys. Love your garden. Talk to it. You know, all that good oxygen you're giving off, hydrogen and nitrogen and all the oxides, and I believe it works. Hey, how you doing? And I love the smell of tomatoes. And look at the corn, you guys. This is an okra video, but I just had to show you my corn. You know I love my corn so much. Thank you guys so much for being here. Remember, click like and subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the 2 middle fingers. Okay, okay. And if you ever feel down and out, click on one of my videos, and I hope that I can uplift you. Okay, I love you guys. You are absolutely the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, go stop and eat it. Yes, you guys, you're the best. Grow your okra. Bye-bye. and I'm sweating. It's